Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a really quick video. I'm sorry if I'm talking really fast. So I just was trying to make slime. I tried making slime with shampoo, with glue, cornstarch, and food coloring. My hands are still blue. I literally just before I did this, just washed my hands. My hands were a mess. And these are the ingredients you should never use. Never get glue, cornstarch, and food coloring and mix it together. You will never get it off you. So I still have it over my legs and everything.
Yeah.
My Lainey.
Yeah.
And do not do the second recipe of shampoo. It will just turn, because you get shampoo and, okay, here you go. I'll open them. You get shampoo. Oh, what are you doing? You get shampoo and you add cups of water and you do cornstarch. Never do that, because it just makes it a big giant mess here. And it doesn't do anything. So those are the slime recipes you should never do. I'm trying to do Brock slime, well, the church slime right now after this video. So bye.